Hi, this is Deepa from Olivia Draj. Today we are going to make a wonderful hair growth oil with cloves. Take 2 teaspoons of cloves. Then crush it well. Take a glass bottle. Put the cloves into this bottle. Pour 50 ml of oil into this bottle. Then close the bottle tightly and shake it well. Add water to a pot, then put the bottle in it. Let the oil simmer on low for 50 to 20 minutes. Massage the oil on your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes or overnight. If you are suffering from thinning hairline and dandruff, try to use these remedies regularly to see good results. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me,